All right, check these out. These are amazing. These are by HICC Pet. They are deodorizing pet gloves. They're not just simple wipes. When I originally picked these up, I thought they were going to be like little wipies. You see, our goal was come back when dogs come inside from a walk or something like that. Sometimes they smell like dog. They've got some debris on them. Our dogs also are allergic to a lot of things, and so we wanted a wipey that we could quickly and easily swipe over them to help clean them up. But when these arrived and I took the first one out, I realized how much more amazing these are. These aren't just wipies. They're gloves. So you can quickly and easily slip on one of these extra large gloves and just kind of run it over your dog to help wipe them down, to remove pollen and dander, to aid in removing that odor. They've got they smell like coconut, aloe vera, and I think they say they also have some chamomile or something else like that. But it's this real subtle, good smell to them. They're not going to end up smelling like they've been in tanning oil or anything like that. But it's a quick and easy way to wipe them down to help get rid of that dog smell that they come home with, and also help aid them in getting off any allergens that might have attached itself to them while you're on your walk. So check these out if you're looking for a good way to wipe down your dogs, to help get rid of odor between bathing a little bit and help keep them clean. Check these out, man. I think you're going to love them.